today's video, we are going to learn one of the most important English tenses, the past perfect continuous tense. Past perfect continuous tense. Here is the timeline. This is the past. Imagine we are looking at 2 points in the past. First, an action started in the past and continued for some time. Then another action happened. So on our timeline, we have the starting point, the continuous action, and then the second past event. For example, I had been studying for 2 hours before my friend called me. Remember, past perfect continuous shows an action that had been continuing for a period of time before another action or event in the past. अगर हम उर्दू में इनकी पहचान देखें तो फ़िक्रे के आखिर में रहा था, रही थी, रहे थे आता है, लेकिन ये पहचान तो पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस की भी है। कॉन्टिन्यूस में ये डिफरेंस है कि साथ में टाइम का जिक्र भी मौजूद होता है, जो कि एक्शन की कॉन्टिन्यूटी को बताता है। नाउ वी हैव 4 काइंड्स ऑफ पास्ट परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस: पॉजिटिव सेंटेंसेस, नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस, इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस एंड नेगेटिव इंटेरोगेटिव। वन बाय वन हम इनका स्ट्रक्चर और फॉर्मेशन देखते हैं। The structure of positive sentence is subject plus had been plus first form of verb with ing plus object plus since for with time. Negative sentences. Negative sentences की formation ये है कि subject plus had not been. Not always come between had been. Plus first form of verb with ing plus object plus since for with time. Structure of interrogative sentences is had plus subject plus been plus first form of verb with ing plus object plus since for with time plus question mark. Number 4. Negative interrogative sentences. The structure of negative interrogative sentence is had plus subject plus not been plus first form of verb with ing plus object plus since for with time with question mark. Now let's see the examples. Number 1. It had been raining for an hour. It had been raining for an hour is an example of positive sentence. Number 2. She had not been making research since a long time. She had not been making research since a long time. Number 3. Had they been doing their homework for an hour? Question mark. Had they been doing their homework for an hour? Number 4. Had she not been writing an essay for 3 hours? Question mark. In my last video of present perfect continuous tense, I have already told the difference between since and for, how to use it and when to use it. हम अपने जुमले में since को तब यूज़ करते हैं जब हमें टाइम के स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट का तो पता हो लेकिन एंड का ना पता हो। जब हमारा टाइम एंडलेस होता है तब हम since को यूज़ करते हैं। जैसे कि हमारे काम का स्टार्टिंग टाइम है 9 o'clock, लेकिन वो कब फिनिश हुआ वी डोंट नो, सो वी विल यूज़ सिंस 9 o'clock। इसी तरह हमने 1 जनवरी को काम स्टार्ट किया है, मंडे को किया है, दिसंबर में किया है, 1994 में किया है या मॉर्निंग में किया है, लेकिन हमें इसके फिनिशिंग टाइम का नहीं पता तो हम सिंस को यूज़ करेंगे। गॉट इट? इसी फॉर में हमें काम के स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट का भी पता होता है और एंडिंग का भी पता होता है, जैसे कि for 5 minutes, for 2 weeks, for 3 days, for 6 months, for 9 years, for 2 minutes. Understood? Now we will see more examples of translating Urdu into English. मैं एक माह से ये तस्वीर बना रहा था. मैं एक माह से ये तस्वीर बना रहा था. I had been making this picture for a month. I had been making this picture for a month. हम 9 बजे से मैच खेल रहे थे. हम 9 बजे से मैच खेल रहे थे. We had been playing the match since 9 o'clock. Got it? The difference between for and since. सुबह से बारिश हो रही थी. सुबह से बारिश हो रही थी. It had been raining since morning. It had been raining since morning. लोग 2 घंटे से नारे नहीं लगा रहे थे. लोग 2 घंटे से नारे नहीं लगा रहे थे. People had not been raising slogans for 2 hours. People had been not People had not been raising slogans for 2 hours. लोग 5 मिनट से क्यों तालियां बजाते रहे थे? लोग 5 मिनट से क्यों तालियां बजाते रहे थे? Why had the people been clapping for 5 minutes? Why had the people been clapping for 5 minutes? अगर इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस में हमारे से WH क्वेश्चनिंग हो तो WH क्वेश्चन हमेशा had से पहले आएंगे. Now we will revise today's lesson. Past perfect continuous tense. Definition. The past perfect continuous tense is used to describe an action that started in the past, continued for some time, and was still in progress before another action or time in the past. Now we will revise the structure. The main structure is subject plus had been plus first form of verb with ing plus object plus since or for with time expression. Now we will see examples. Affirmative sentence. She had been studying English for 2 hours before the class started. For negative sentence, she had not been studying English for 2 hours before the class started. And for interrogative sentence, had she been studying English for 2 hours before the class started. So, it is used to show an action that started in the past, continued for some time, and was still in progress before another action or time in the past. Now, this is the time to test your knowledge. It's quiz time. Number 1. She blanked for 2 hours before her friend arrived. Option A. Had been studying. Option B. Had studied. Option C. Has been studying. And option D. Was studying. Number 2. She blanked her project for weeks before the deadline. Option A. Had been completing. Option B. Had been completed. Option C. Had completed. And option D. Had been complete. Number 3. They blanked in the city since last year before they moved to another one. Option A. Had been living. Option B. Had been lived. Option C. Had lived. And option D. Had been being lived. Write down your answers in the comments below. I will read your answers. If you guys learned something new, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.